Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, did it yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made as the chart is actually sitting at a pretty interesting location. Before anything else though, I'm going to do a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line up there. Sure, it still pertains, just not necessarily relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to map out, kind of the overall key levels. And the first level that doesn't even mapped out, and not necessarily mapped out, but the update is right here at $7.70. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And going into today, right around 770 was that level of support, but with the price now below it, this would be considered that initial area of resistance. So if the price does start to bounce, again, 770, that first key hurdle that the bulls will have to clear. Now, I mentioned earlier about the price being at a very significant area location as far as the charts are concerned, and that is right here via not only the purple line but also the pink line. So it's kind of a double whammy of some very famous moving averages. Even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50 period, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and both of these are literally right at the same spot there, and that's right where the price stopped going down today at $7.50. So 750, definitely a very important level of support going into tomorrow. So we'll see if that level can hold or not. In the event 750 does not hold, next key level of support to keep an eye on at that point would be down around the $7.30 mark. So pretty, very interesting setup going into tomorrow. Just crazy the way those moving averages worked out, and the price just happens to be sitting right at that level. So yeah, we'll see if the price can hold above 750. If it doesn't, then like I said, next key level of support down there at $7.30. Looking like it'll be a pretty entertaining close to the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.